How to insert a video in Microsoft Word. This tutorial shows you how to embed an online video directly into your document. First, open the Word app on your computer. From there, open the document you want to add a video to. After that, click on the spot in your document where you want the video placed. At this point, click the Insert tab at the top. Following this, click Online Video. From here, paste the link to the video you want to embed. Since Word doesn't support inserting video files directly from your computer, only online sources like YouTube. At this stage, click the arrow or Insert button to confirm. Give it a moment while Word loads a preview of the video. Following this, once it appears, click outside the video to deselect it. From here, resize it by dragging the corner handles if you want it larger or smaller within your document. Once inserted, the video shows up as a clickable thumbnail in your Word document, and clicking it plays the video directly if you're viewing the document with an internet connection. That's how you insert a video in Microsoft Word. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!